Hello everyone, good evening, welcome back to my channel Useful Stuff. Today we are going to see the with column operation in Spark data frames. So what is a with column? With column is an operation which we can add new columns, we can add a new column and we can pass different arguments and we can do different types of regular expression operations, rename of the column. This all stuff we can do using with column function. Today I'll be covering one or two of such kind of operations and we'll see how to implement all those things. So let's start. So first, whenever we need to perform, we have to import the necessary packages that I am doing, and I'm creating a Spark session. I'm giving a app name with column. You can give it any, and now Spark session has been created. Now I am creating a data frame. I'm creating a data frame by passing variable list of things with 4 columns. I am executing it. We'll see that data frame. Yes, this is the data frame which we have created. Now let's apply a with column operation. So what we'll create a with column operation with a new column name. So we'll first see the syntax. Data frame 1 dot with column. We have to pass the new column name what we want to give. So for example, I want to give us new column. Okay, and I am passing. So what should be there in that column? We have to pass it here. So for example, we have employee number 1, 2, 3, 4 and employee ages 22, 23, 33, 56 and 46. So let's say in that new column they are giving a charity of amount some 100 rupees. So all are giving 100 rupees. So what I'll do is I'll be using a lit function. Lit function is an which adds constant to for all the records. So how much the value we want pass, that much value we can pass it here. I am passing it as 10. Let's execute this. Now what happened is actually we need to store it in another data frame, so that is the reason. So again we are writing to the same data frame and storing to the same data frame. We'll execute this. Now we'll see the output. Now you can see it has got a new column and the amount which we have passed as 10 for all the records, it has been same. So based on this you can perform different operation, like if for example employee ID is there, you want to multiply it by 2 or multiply with any of number, you can place that column and we can do multiplication operation. So based on that you can do different kind of operation. So this is one operation, and let's see another. For example, I want to rename the column name. So how to do column name in the existing data frame only? So in the data frame 1 we have 5 columns. So let's rename this column name, new column, to donation. See how to do that. So let's copy this, paste it. Now what we have to do is data frame 1 is equal to data frame 1 dot with the column. With the column, along with that we need to pass rename option. We have to pass the first column name, so that is a new column only. Here we need to pass new column name. So let's keep it as donation and execute it. Why it is throwing an error? With the column rename, sorry, it's renamed. I missed it. Let's execute this. Yes, it has executed now. Now let's see the output. We'll execute this. Yes, the previously you can see here it was new column. Now it has changed to donation. Now have you have seen right how to do with column rename operation and with column adding of separate column. So these are all the basic things which I have explained. In future we'll see more operations on the with column. Hope you enjoy this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you.